The Fairfax Food Council advocates for an equitable local food system that produces and provides access to nutritional, sustainable, and affordable food for everyone. And we do that through encouraging and supporting partnerships throughout the county. In order to have an accessible, healthy food system, you really have to engage all the segments.
This new market is a grocery store-like experience for the families and individuals that come to Food for Others. We started the choice model back in 2016 with a few temporary shelves, a small space in our warehouse, and what we found was that it was such a better way to serve our clients, much more dignified, respectful. It reduced food waste, so many benefits.
So I am just so grateful that we, Fairfax as a community, once again have shown that we care, that we want to support everyone. We call it the One Fairfax policy on our board, that everyone in our community is welcome, belongs here.
What we have here is a fascinating confluence of industrialism, if you will, and human needs. So putting together a system where so much food, so much need is being met, but doing it at a human scale.
So in next week is the last of the emergency SNAP allotments that families will receive. After that time, we feel like there will be another increase in demand as families stop receiving that emergency allotment. If you want to know how to come and get food from us, please check our website, call our phone number. We're open Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5. We'd love to have you.